Hi friends, I am architect Rajesh Bhosle, founder, entrepreneur of Interior One Private Limited. Yes, we are now private limited. Thank you friends for your belief. Thank you for your support. I am full of gratitude towards your faith in our company. Our purpose is still the same, to provide you with customized and personalized interior spaces, may it be residential or commercial. How we do that? We do that with help of a process which is a very proven, developed and experimented process. With our experience and educational qualifications, we have developed a process in which we try and understand your requirements more better. We give you all the working drawings to make you understand how your interior will function, and then we give you 3D views to make you understand how your interior will look or aesthetically be pleasant. After your sanctioning, we start execution. In execution phase, we give you working drawings and the work which is necessary to be done on site, we start site execution, and the work which is necessary to be executed in factory, we start it in our backhand factory. This is how we do it. I believe in two pillars of interior which allowed us to give this success. That is P and T, people and technology. In people, if you see, I believed that we had a lot of skilled laborers in rural India or even in urban India. We also have skilled interior designers. We bought a platform, we created a platform where we bought them together, skilled interior designers and skilled laborers. With help of proper admin staff, we work in synchronization to make your space into a very beautiful, functional and aesthetically pleasant with an complete architectural or interior style, so that you can enjoy your space more efficiently, more beautifully. We did not forget the part of budget. So we have all the interiors in 3 flavors. One is budgeted, second is optimum, and third is luxurious. Now let us discuss about the technology part of it. In technology, we have a cutting edge technology in manufacturing your furnitures. With help of all German machines such as edge bending machine, boring machines, panel saws, everything to the latest finishes such as back painted glass finish, acrylic finish. We have all kinds of other profile finishes, different kinds of profile, mix and match, customizing your finishes with experimenting with colors, experimenting with forms. Everything we do in workshop. Your interior designers and laborers interact with each other and get an experiment and make your interiors unique for you. They personalize it for you. Now, the other part of technology what we use is the experience for you to see how interior would look before it is executed through VR, AR and 3D modeling. We also give working drawings to give you clarity and functioning of the interior space. Hope I have conveyed our sole purpose. We love to provide space which would enhance your lifestyle, health, wealth and upgrade your entire lifestyle to next level, make you happy, because the space in which you live should be worth your lifestyle. May it be office space or residential space. it should be functionally important. Aesthetics also is important, as it makes your soul happy, the in and around relationships happy. So we hope happy interiors to you from Interior One Private Limited. Thank you.